Okie dokie, well, I finally got the handles on this old knife as good as I'm going to get it, and I know they're not very good because I'm not an ace at this word barking thing, and I couldn't find the right bolt things there. Those are Allen heads. I'm sure they didn't use that before, but it really don't make any difference. Better than nothing at all. It's not perfect up here where the metal and the wood comes in, but still not, I mean, a lot better than it was. And I enjoyed doing it since it was. So anyway, and I didn't finish the knife because just leave it original as best I can. It's an old one. I mean, I don't know, somewhere around 1918 or something of that nature is what I figured out. So, all right, that's just a little bitty deal on this situation here, because I want to let everybody know what it wound up turning out to be. And I haven't tried it on my K98. I don't know if it'll fit that one. I think it's for, well, I don't know, maybe a different version or something. Anyway, that's enough of this malarkey. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.